Yeah, what's up guys? This one's called Old School House Remedy. I'm using Reason Studio software against the JBL Extreme 2 Bluetooth. So guys, this is the FM pluck bass I'm using. Yeah, and these are the chords, piano chords. To this chords it's coming in. I've also used a drum kit. And also together with the drum kit I've EQ'd. Yeah, also together with the drum kit guys I've EQ'd some Brazilian shaker drums, yeah? Yeah? And then I also got a vocal in there, guys. Let me know if you got a vocal.
You got that, I can't stop looking, but you got that, yeah. I need you so much, I can't stop to call you baby.
Alright guys, and then together, it's what it sounds like. Guys, to give you an idea, remember if you like my tunes, my music, don't forget to hit the link up in my bio. If you're on Instagram, it's Linktr.ee/TommyTappah, yeah? Guys, hit me up. Tap in for more from this channel.